how to add Stripe to Lovable and how to accept Stripe payments. First, you want to load up Lovable, click on your icon in the bottom left, then go into settings. Now from here, we will select connectors and you just want to find Stripe here. So search for Stripe if you don't see it, click on it and then make sure it is enabled. Once you have it enabled, we can go back and find the app which you want to add Stripe to. And right here, you will say connect, or rather accept a one-time payment through Stripe. Or maybe it could be a subscription for you. It really depends on what you are trying to set up. So here, we're going to give it some time to think. I'm just going to be patient and see what Lovable manages to come up with. Okay, so in order to enable, you will need to have your Stripe restricted key. Okay, so enable Stripe. This will prompt you to enter your Stripe key. So here, what you have to do is get your Stripe key. So you will open up Stripe and then you will get your key. And after you get your key, you will click on submit here. And it's going to ask you what you want the one-time payment to look like. So the button or what it's going to be like. If you need a tutorial on how you can get your Stripe restricted key, I think I have one on my channel. And then you will just click on submit and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.